He had a version of Linux Ubuntu that was made by the government of New Zealand, paid for by China, that was unhackable.
You know,
$10,000 for a Mac Pro?
3 gaming computers or something? Like really good ones?
More than that, buddy. A lot more than that. If I'm gonna think about a liquid cool system with mineral oil, let's just see. Like the case is about $2,000.
Yeah,
A good video card, another $2,000. For what? For mineral oil
the new
case?
NVIDIA, whatchamacallit, the Titan, that's like 6 gig of
No, hell no. Hell no. No. Forget about the Titan. 7990. 7990 Sapphire. Shut the fuck up.
A 6600 GT.
Shut the fuck up. You have no idea what a video card is. Someone should hop on Skype with me and watch him hack him again. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll hop on.
You know, I'm on my unhackable Ubuntu.
I've already gotten your router, dipshit.
Hey, you don't talk to my mom that way. You do not talk to my mom that way.
You don't want to be speaking to her like that. Now shut up.
Dude, if I come to this computer, I'd strangle you right now.
Mom, please calm down. You didn't take your medicine.
Shut your mouth.
Fuck up, I'm not your mom, dude.
Mom, I know we've gotten off on the wrong...
Shut the fuck up, retard.
Mom! Don't... Please!
Shut up.
Please, I know...
Shut the fuck up, man.